Samsung's Galaxy Note series is one of the best smartphone ranges out there. It's the device that made phobolds so fashionable that no one even bothers to call them phobolds anymore. It's been 4 days since I've started using the Galaxy Note 9, Samsung's big, brash, beautiful new superphone that's so expensive. Its $1,000 starting price tag, for 128 GB of internal storage, was all I could think about when I first heard about it. That's iPhone X territory, plain and simple. But Samsung counters Apple's priciest, most tech-forward phone with some impressive specs of its own: a huge 4,000 mAh battery, a 128 GB or 512 GB internal storage option, for $1,250, with additional storage available through the micro SD card slot, and an S Pen stylus that now does Bluetooth tricks like trigger your camera's shutter button remotely. And that's in addition to all the top-shelf specs you'll find on the Galaxy S9 Plus, like dual 12-megapixel cameras, a blazing fast Snapdragon 845 processor, waterproofing, wireless charging, and a large, crystal-clear screen. So, what do I think so far? It's unsurprisingly adept at the basics, and builds off the excellent Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. This is shaping up to be Samsung's most powerful phone. Galaxy Note 9 highlights so far. Battery life appears strong in real-world testing, but it's too soon for a final determination, see below. The S Pen stylus new Bluetooth features work as advertised. As a natural note-taker, I love being able to jot things down. Yep, I still love the bold colors and overall design. Galaxy Note 9, low points so far. At times, the screen isn't responsive to my taps, both with the S Pen and with my finger. I've reached out to Samsung and don't know yet if this is an isolated issue with my particular review unit. The fingerprint reader is too close to the camera array. Why hasn't Samsung figured out the optimal placement yet? The Note 9's new AI camera tool works slower than I'd like to identify scenes and optimize settings to get you the best shot. Bixby 2.0 is expanded, but the button on the Note 9's left side still only maps to Bixby, as with the Galaxy S8 and newer. Writing on the phone screen in the S Pen signature color, yellow in my case, means that the notes you save have yellow ink on a white background, which is extremely hard to read. First impressions. Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 reaffirms the notion that, sadly, smartphone design is plateauing. Even with the introduction of fancy bezel-less 18:9 screens, phones in 2018 are mundane, and neither minor camera improvements nor processor upgrades offer enough to successfully divert our disappointments. And that's a real shame, because the Note 9 is an impressive smartphone in its own right. Equipped with all the flagship bells and whistles you'd come to expect from a pricey, top-end smartphone, the Note 9 is undeniably top of its class, and it does many things rather well as a result. It's just at this early stage, I see little reason to upgrade. The Note 9 offers a premium build quality, what appears to be an excellent screen, a mature software experience, all the power you could ask for, and a camera that should, in theory, deliver brilliant results. Couple all of those with that new Bluetooth-enabled S Pen and you have the cherry on top of a pretty scrumptious cake. Is the Note 9 worth its £899 asking price though?